Welcome to Pharma Basic. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the few derived SI unit for measurement. So what are the derived SI unit? These derived SI units are formed by the combining of one or more of the 7 fundamental base. Either it is multiplying or it is dividing. So what are these units? So unit of force. Unit of force is Newton and it is denoted by capital N. Unit of work or energy is Joule. It is denoted by capital J. Unit of pressure is Pascal. It is denoted by PA. Unit of power is Watt. It is denoted by capital W. Unit of electric charge is Coulomb and it is denoted by capital C. So next one is the potential difference and its unit is volt and it is denoted by capital B. Unit of resistance is ohm and it is denoted by capital omega. Unit of conductance is Siemens and it is denoted by capital S. Conductance is reciprocal of resistance. 1 by R. So capacitance. Unit of capacitance is farad and it is denoted by capital F. Unit of magnetic flux density is Tesla and it is denoted by capital T. So these are the few derived SI units for measurements. Thank you.